Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to blend two pictures together on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the My Projects icon and select a picture from your gallery. After that, tap on this button down below, which is the first one, and click on Photos. Then select a picture from your gallery. And after that, you should slide to the right side till you find the blend option. And here you can find from these preset options. Some of them are only available to premium users only, as you can see indicated by this pro icon. And here you can find the options that are available. Position the picture to the screen, to the right place, and if you are done with it, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.